good morning. Myself, Gopila, working as an assistant professor in Department of Chemical Engineering in Erode Engineering College. Today I am going to handle a subject chemical process industries. In that I am going to handle a session on unit operations. Here we are going to see about the manufacture of sodium carbonate. Thus, there are two main sources of the sodium carbonate. First one is it can be from common salt and calcium carbonate. We are the ammonium soda, which is known as the solid process. And then next one is the sodium carbonate and hydrogen carbonate course. It is a trono and necolite. First, from sodium chloride and calcium carbonate, as we are going to see this process, the overall reaction can be regarded as between calcium carbonate and sodium chloride. However, calcium carbonate is too insoluble to react with a solution of salt. Instead of the product is obtained by a series of 7 stages. The process is known as the ammonium soda process or the solid process, named after the Belgian industrial chemist who patented it in 1861. The various stages of the solid process are interlinked as can be seen from the diagram and description below. This is the overall flow sheet of the solid process. First one is the ammonia tower. In this, NaCl is made and ammonia is the raw material for this process. This ammonia and NaCl gets combined and the ammonium solution will be getting from the ammonium absorber. Then it pass to a solvent tower. In the solvent tower, the input will be ammonia and ammonium chloride, sorry, sodium chloride. In this, CO is added. CO2 is added by heating in the kiln. CaCO2, that is calcium carbonate, is heated in the kiln and uh, it converted to CO2 and CaO. The Ca2 is passed to the solvent tower. From that solvent tower, we will get ammonium chloride solution and sodium bicarbonate solution, which is passed to the filter. Then in this filter, ammonium bicarbonate is separated and it is heated to get ammonium carbonate. Mixture from that ammonium chloride is passed to the heating process, which is the seventh step. The calcium oxide from the second step is passed to the slaked water tank. In this water is added to get calcium hydroxide. This calcium hydroxide and ammonium chloride are fed to the seventh step and it is heated for the ammonia recovery process. Finally, the calcium chloride is the byproduct and the ammonia is recycled. In this first step is ammoniation of brine. Here, ammonia gas is absorbed in concentrated brine to give a solution containing both sodium chloride and ammonia, sodium Na plus and chlorine Cl minus aqueous and OH minus and ammonium aqueous are present. Formation of next step is formation of calcium oxide and carbon dioxide. Now, the second step is kilns are fed with limestone or coke mixture. The coke burns in a countercurrent of preheated air. The reaction is carbon plus oxygen gives CO2. The heat of combustion raises the temperature of the kiln and the limestone decomposes. The reaction is CaCO3 gives CaO plus CO2. The gas containing approximately 40% CO2 is freed of lime dust and sent to the carbonating towers. The residue calcium oxide is used in the ammonium recovery process. Next is the solvate tower. This is the key stage of this process. The ammoniated brine from the step 1 is passed down through the solvator, while carbon dioxide from step 2 and 5 is passed through it. The solvent tower is tall and contains a set of mushroom-shaped bubbles to slow down and break up the liquid flow so that the CO2 can be efficiently absorbed by the solution. CO2 on dissolving reacts with the dissolved ammonium to form the ammonium hydrogen carbonate. The reaction is ammonia plus water plus carbon dioxide gives ammonium bicarbonate. The solution now contains Na plus aqueous and Cl minus aqueous, NH4 plus aqueous and HCO3 minus aqueous of the four substances which would be formed by different combinations of these Sodium hydrogen carbonate is the least soluble here. It precipitates as a solid in the lower part of the tower, which is cooled. The process is NaCl aqueous plus ammonia aqueous plus water liquid plus CO2 gas, which gives ammonium bicarbonate plus ammonium chloride. The suspension of solid sodium hydrogen carbonate in a solution of ammonium chloride is around of the base of the tower. Next, formation of sodium carbonate. The sodium hydrogen carbonate is heated in the rotating oven at 450 Kelvin so that it decomposes to sodium carbonate, water, and carbon dioxide. Two ammonium two hydrogen sodium hydrogen carbonate reacts to give ammonium sodium carbonate plus water plus carbon dioxide. The carbon dioxide is sent back to the solvate tower for use in the step 3. The product of the process, anhydrous sodium carbonate, is obtained as a fine powder known as a light sodium carbonate. Next is formation of calcium carbonate hydroxide. The last two stages are concerned with the regeneration of ammonia from ammonium chloride. The quicklime from the step 2 is baked with excess water giving milk of lime. CaO plus water gives calcium hydroxide, which is aqueous or solid. The last step is the regeneration of ammonia. The calcium hydroxide suspension is mixed with the ammonium chloride solution left from the step 4 and it is heated. The ammonia chloride and calcium hydroxide gives calcium chloride plus ammonia and water. The ammonia is thus recovered and sent back to the step. Calcium hydrochloride is the only byproduct of this whole process. Thank you.